Hi guys, and welcome to the unboxing of the Porsche Design Mate 20 RS. So I had one of these, but I got another one. Today I had it replaced because it had a slight drama. And I got it with two cases, the red cases. There you go, so that's basically everything in the bag. Chuck this away. So yes, so where do we start? Let's actually open the main device. This is the old version here. I'll just keep that aside for now. Alright then, so we rip the leather, well the nylon, not leather. Okay. Keep these aside for now. And boom, here we go. This is the bad boy. It's actually a beautiful phone. I like the way the back is actually what's at the front, so you just, you notice the leather demarcation. So I just slide this out. Actually, no, just flip it this way. There we go, this is a beautiful phone. Peel this off as well. Stick this on here. I'll show you what that looks like in comparison to this one. Slightly bigger. Beautiful phone. Anyway, so we keep that here. Let's see what's underneath here. I really don't tend to use any of these things, so, but you get a European adapter. This is the super fast charge. I don't know if you can tell, but it's written on here somewhere. Supercharge. Can you see there? Supercharge. There you go. This is the UK adapter, rather this is the European one. And then you get the headset. Wired USB Type-C headset, two USB-C cables. Apologies, my dog is running around. Let's pop this back in there. Of course, you get the case. It always comes with a case, which I'll show you. We'll probably do a comparison because I have another one of these in red. This is a black case. This time around, the display is not as much as the old one. There you go. And the leather feels soft for some reason actually, which is quite nice. So we keep this aside, and then in here you get obviously the pin. You get the adapter for normal headphones, instruction booklet, warranty card, and some more books and stuff. I'll put this all in here. We don't need any of this. And that's about it. So this is the new phone. I'll pop this aside now because we're done with this. That's the phone. And then the cases. We've got two cases here. So this is the red. Let's see what this is. Oh, they're both red. Pop this here. And then here we have the, okay, now this is the, not the flap case, but just the normal case in red. It's lovely. Put this away. And then you get a card. That's probably a note card, talking about the leather and the care and all of that. Keep that in there. Put that aside. So that's what this case looks like here. Turn it upside down. This is the old one, so I'll now put that there. This is the phone itself. This dog is disturbing me. Kenzo, stop. Okay, the other case. Sorry, the dog literally just disturbing me to do things. Kenzo, stop. He really wants attention. And there we go. And this is the red big case. Oh, it's a lot brighter than this one. But yeah. So similar to this one, but a different color. Stop it. Take this one. So you have, again, the red case, slightly different. This is the black. Such beautiful cases, these ones. And this is the phone. So that's what it looks like in this red case. Beauty. This is what it looks like in the black case. Feels smooth and slick and flush. And this is what it looks in the red flip case. Such a beauty, isn't it? Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. That's about it. The new Porsche Design Mate 20 RS. The old and the new. Yep, let me know what your thoughts are. If you have any questions, comments, I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye.